Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how you can pro mix your 7 days whitening face cream, or you call it 1 week whitening face cream. Here I have my base, my whitening facial base here. Really, if you want to know what I mix here, don't worry, just send me a message and I'll respond to it. So here we have our glutathione injection vitamin C cream. I will use 1 tablespoon of this because this face cream is 1 week whitening face cream, so you need to put whitening additive to make it work faster. And don't forget, whatever you are putting, you should make sure it's not something that is very strong. It should be something mild for your skin. So I'll add my just 1 spoon of this. I have my 1 tablespoon of my glutathione injection vitamin C. Here I have my 3 Beta cream. It's a face, you use it for your face. It clears spots, wrinkles, as in you get rid of your pimples. It's a very nice and very good tool. I love it so much. I use it for my clients a lot. So I will use 1 tablespoon of this. So don't forget my base, glutathione injection vitamin C, and a 3 Beta cream. So now I'll add my Dr. Rachel. This 24K Dr. Rachel ampoule work for wrinkles. It's anti-aging. This is my anti-aging. So you pour it. Right now I'm adding my Herbal Skin Doctor. This is the whitening Herbal Skin Doctor. It's not just for whitening, it will clear up all your spots, wrinkles, and it will make you look 10 years younger than your age. So here I add my beauty series. I call it beauty series. I use it in the spa a lot for my customers, but right now I do use it on my face cream. It will make your face look smooth, free from wrinkles, free from spots, free from anything, rashes. Let me just say, name it all. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon right now. Don't forget we are making 1 week whitening face cream. So here I have my vitamin E whitening face oil. So I'll add 3. I only need 3. So right now we have our 1 week whitening face cream ingredients here. So you mix together, you mix it together. Don't forget to mix it very, very well. These are our 7 days whitening face cream, or you call it 1 week whitening face cream. This face cream will get rid of the appearance of age spots, skin tag. It will reduce the appearance of your skin tag, and it will reduce the spots on your face, the appearance of the spot on your face. It will make you look flawless, and it will give you a brighter skin tone. Thank you for watching this channel. If you love my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.